Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for the so nice response yesterday I received. Some of the students of class 12 called me yesterday and asked me to upload the notes of chapter 12 of class 12 physics, that is atoms and nuclei. So today I am uploading the notes of chapter 12 atom and nuclei, but only part atom. So you can see here all the topics of chapter atoms and nuclei, not all the topics, topics related to atoms only, in which you can see first of all alpha particle scattering experiment, setup for the alpha particle scattering experiment. Then you can see what were the results, what were the observations basically for this experiment, you can see here. Then Rutherford nuclear model of an atom, you can see, which was the conclusion of alpha scattering experiment. After that you can see some of the definition with explanation, that is the distance of closest approach, you can see here. Then some calculations related to this topic, you can see numericals, you can see here. Then impact parameter, which is very important, diagram for that impact parameter also you can see. From the diagram also it will be very much clear that what is impact parameter. After that the topic is limitations of Rutherford atomic model, then drawbacks. After that the recent model of atom, that is a Bohr atomic model. But definitely I must say here that there are some drawbacks in this model also, but we are following the same model right now. After that you can see angular momentum in Bohr model, then Bohr's quantization conditions, calculation of some of the properties of electrons, you can see here. Then after these calculations I have given some numericals also. These are very important. If you will read these notes, everything will be very much clear, because I have used very simple language in writing these notes, which you will not find in your books. Once go through these notes. Here you can see the drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model also. Then Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which you have studied in your junior classes also, but here a little more explained. Then what is spectrum, what are the types of spectrum, emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, you can see here. Spectrum of different gases, what is the reason, explanation for the emission spectrum and the absorption spectrum, you can read from here. Then some numericals related to spectral lines and emission spectrum. These are spectral lines, you can see. What are the reason for basically spectral lines, that also I have explained in these notes in very simple language. How you can calculate different physical quantities related to these spectral lines. When you will read these notes, you will be able to easily able to understand the things very easily. Here you can see absorption spectrum. What is the reason, that is explanation, you can see here. I have explained also. And in the last it is absorption spectrum. So this is all about basically all the topics which are included in the chapter atom of your chapter number 12, atom and nuclei. Nuclei I have not uploaded right now. Within 1-2 days I will upload the notes of chapter nuclei also. Till then you just go through these notes. If any suggestion is there, you can give to me so that I can improve. If there is any problem in the writing, that also you can tell me, or anything, or any suggestion for any type of improvement, because I know there is always a scope of improvement. Definitely I'll do. Feel free to um, comment in the comment box, and definitely I'll uh, give the link for these notes in the description box. Download the notes, or you can copy it from here. You can even read it from here. These are very, very simple. Thank you so much, everyone.